Hello, everyone. My name is Anne. I'm in class 6A2. Today I would like to talk about the topic. Robots are amazing inventions that make life easier. There are many types of robots. Home robots help with housework like cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, and ironing. Teacher robots can teach English, math, and other subjects. They help children study and improve pronunciation. Worker robots build houses and carry heavy things. Doctor robots take care of sick people and assist in hospitals. Space robots build stations on the moon and planets. Each type of robot has a special purpose, and together, they help improve our daily lives. I think robots are very useful, and they will become even better in the future. Thanks for listening and goodbye.